Contractors and employees want flexibility. They want to use their own devices and start working immediately. But for IT, that flexibility often means risk from unmanaged endpoints, inconsistent security, and potential data leaks. You can deliver a secure, seamless experience for BYOD users from day one, without sacrificing control or productivity. Let's start with the first impression, getting in. Most users on personal devices begin in their personal Chrome profile. They click a corporate link or bookmark, and without realizing it, they're now trying to access corporate apps from an unmanaged, unsecured context. This is where Citrix Secure Access steps in. Instead of blocking them, Citrix provides real-time coaching, instructing the user to switch to their work profile. After a few quick steps, they're in a secure, policy-controlled environment without confusion or friction. The work profile automatically applies corporate policies, theme, bookmarks, browser security settings, and it auto-installs approved extensions. These Citrix integrated extensions provide the core Zero Trust Network Access functionality. But before granting access, Zero Trust posture checks run silently. Citrix uses this information to grant compliant devices broader access, while personal devices without the endpoint scan agents are considered non-compliant and limited to low-risk apps. The experience stays smooth, but exposure is reduced without blocking productivity. If authorized, Citrix provides secure access to internal corporate apps with integrated Zero Trust controls. No agents required for browser-based access to private apps. Even on unmanaged devices without locally installed agents, you can enforce data protection and compliance through invisible guardrails without slowing your users down. For example, when a user tries to download a file, data in motion controls step in automatically, keeping corporate data inside the secure environment. If confidential data appears on screen, Visual DLP masks and redacts sensitive information in real time. Screen sharing, screenshots, and shoulder surfing. Integrated guardrails prevent accidental exposure without slowing users down. When they search for Chrome extensions, only approved tools appear, while risky and unauthorized apps are blocked. This helps protect against data exfiltration from shadow IT extensions. And if they move towards risky actions, like accessing unauthorized web services, real-time coaching guides them to approved tools, turning security into a learning moment instead of a hard stop. Now, because this is a personal device, the user might try to bypass security by switching to their personal profile. But DLP policies prevent data from leaving the work profile, keeping sensitive information protected. However, users can still innovate within their personal browser. And advanced threat protection policies allow data to be brought back into the corporate environment after it is scanned for malware to ensure it's safe. But the life cycle doesn't end when the work is done. When a user's role ends, you need to remove access instantly. With no device to touch and no agent to uninstall, the user's sessions terminate immediately, exactly what you want from a BYOD strategy. With Zero Trust for BYOD, users get the freedom to work on their own devices, and IT gets a clean, controlled lifecycle from first logon to final sign-off. Access is simple, protection is invisible, and when work is done, access is removed. It's secure flexibility without the operational burden.